vol de conquête.
Play with mouse acceleration?
No.
No? No?
Hope not. I've only see 3 times with mouse acceleration, then I join Vitality, I turn it off and I'm losing, buddy.
And you turned it off and like summer was just vacation.
Then I
Vacation
turn
camp,
off the
summer
mouse
camp.
acceleration and I accelerate into off-season, by the way.
It's acceleration vacation, baby.
Can you hear me?
Yo, where's the enemies?
3-7 d'aujourd'hui en cause.
Looking good right now, yeah? I wouldn't say good, but winnable.
Referee,
I will forward it to IT.
Thank you.
referee, I would like some food before the game and a red carpet to walk.
And a massage chair, by the way.
Yeah, please.
I'm afraid this is not possible within the
Oh.
rules of... Can the IT guy not do that?
Yeah, it should not be that hard this game if we play with brain.
Yeah.
Oh.
We are missing something then.
We're missing one thing, one crucial thing.
The brain.
The developed frontal lobe, ladies and gentlemen.
I mean, mine is 50% developed, by the
I
way.
mean, I'm 25 now. My Mickey's frontal lobe is mega developed. By the way.
Really?
Yeah, after 20.
This is it?
Actually, I tank.
I double.
I tank now.
Let's go.
I'm tanking. One more.
Il a envoyé de Arroser qui aimait bien.
We kill both. Yeah, I'll kill now. Nice. One.
Who drinks water here in base?
I do.
You do?
Oh.
I usually drink if I'm dead.
Okay, at least you're dead, you know.
Yeah. I never.
Like base, yeah, like base.
Yeah.
When you have time, basic. Yeah, so that's why you never finish your bottle. Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I think it's pretty empty sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes it's empty.
First target. Don't go too deep. Okay. Don't go too deep.
Yeah.
Ah, le fameux fight.
Okay. Can you take it over? Can you push him out?
Skew, mon frère, respire. Skew, mon frère. Respire, mon frère. Mon frère Skew, c'est le matin. Respire, mon frère. Attends, vous avez pas le son fort, non? Parce que moi, j'écoute, c'est bien, mais... Mais Skew, mon frère, faut respirer.
Oh.
I usually drink if I'm dead.
Mais il le sait qu'il faut respirer.
Okay, at least you're dead, you know.
Yeah,
I never.
like base, yeah, like base. Yeah. When you have time, basic. Yeah, so that's why you never finish your bottle. Yeah, that's true.
Oh, I think it's pretty empty sometimes.
Ah bon, à ce moment-là, ils sont en 1-2, quoi.
First target. Don't go too deep. Okay. Don't go too deep.
Yeah. Looks good. Oh, look, okay. I chase. Can you take it over? Can you take it over? Push, can you push him out? Chill out. Chill out. Oh, can you finish it?
Broken Blade, dis-lui juste ta gueule, mets-lui une patate la prochaine fois. No troll, faut qu'il l'apprenne à être chill. La prochaine fois, mon frère Broken Blade, juste tu dis ta gueule, patate. De suite, je lui dirais de faire ça. Parce qu'il peut tanker en plus.
It's on. He might flash over. It's on. Now he can't. Nice, very good. I mean, Nash's robot at F30. Someone is heavy breathing. Yeah, someone is heavily breathing. Oh, watch out with the tornado. Kalis, are you stressed of Kalis?
It's not me, bro, what are you saying?
Calisthenics?
But I am, yeah.
Calisthenics?
He is, but that's not the reason.
It's not my breathing, but I'm stressed as
I'm driving. Okay, don't
Oh,
He will smite you.
Yeah, we should.
They're hedging us.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Let's get everyone into lobby now.
What if I don't want to, Mochi? Are you gonna force me to?
Yes?
Sure. We go lobby?
I'm scared now. What are you gonna force him?
What do I pick?
Lilia.
Why?
He almost picked Talia.
You picked
I'm
best of it.
Putain, c'était une belle game ça.
Push more. Yeah, I reach.
Yes, look, but plaquette.
I'll go.
Huge.
Let's go. Let's go, baby!
Israel from Fansama is scared.
J'avoue, lui aussi, il a gagné un B1 de saison régulière. Il a gagné un B1 de saison régulière, on dirait qu'il a gagné les Worlds, genre. Même T1, ça réagit pas autant, genre. Faut chill, les gars.
I mean, he picked Azure, so we lose.
Le vrai, trop heureux, c'est vrai. Il a battu, en plus, il a battu les autres Espagnols.
Complete 1v9.
I have damage in 3. I will ignite.
Oh, Leona flash.
Okay. Yes, arms. 3. If you can trade him, it's really good. Don't die fight, he's dead. He has flash, okay? He's gonna die.
Lift the wave. Yeah. Get.
I'll push the base. You have TP.
Des biens.
Lift the wave. Yeah. Get.
Voilà, Hans. Voilà. Bonhomme. Dis-leur. Dis-leur aux Espagnols là, get fucked.
I'll push in base.
You have TP?
Yeah, I will have TP.
Nice, good job.
Nice, very good.
Il a même pas parlé quand il a fait ça, la preuve.
That was loud, Striker. That was loud, man.
I'm just saying a lot of you're gonna get.
I'm not gonna lose my voice over like scream for a game that he's going to lose.
Okay, would you buy a pink ward for a mid laner? But there's a 10% chance it can fuck up your early game. Would you do it? Actually, would you do it?
I will.
I will not.
Keep going.
Set down, no flash.
Just is that.
Can attack one?
Go attack and go attack.
Nice, good job.
No. You can end.
You won one game both at least.
Nice.
Ah.
We don't do a record.
It feels good, no?
Our draft is good. What are you saying?
If I have to go to an A this year, what will happen to me actually?
It's gorgeous.
It is?
I've never seen such a great draft.
But the draft is actually fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Could be better.
It could have slight improvements.
it's playable. For
It
sure
is-
playable. It's
Oui.
fine.
Might even be pleasurable at some point in the game.
It will.
It's plausible that we win.
Good luck, boys.
Thank you.
Thank you, but we don't need that, buddy.
Once again, draft. We need to make it work.
Players again need to make it work.
Yesterday it was on us. Today it's on coaches. You don't have flash, you don't have ult. I think we can.
I'll find a way to play. I'll find a way to play.
No flashes here, no flashes here, no flashes here.
Look at us here.
I kill him.
Yeah. See, no flash. I'm coming. I can follow, guys.
We're cooked. Nice, I got up. You kill him.
Kill the Poppy. Here in two.
flash popping.
You get the kill.
Nice.
Big boys.
I can flash or can. Look.
Le game était tellement perdu à ce fight.
On behind me, pil. Yeah.
Look.
I go on this go.
Penta.
No flash as well.
Cooked.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nice. Nice.
Fine, but I think I should go.
I'm basing on bot.
No flash as well.
I'm basing on going bot.
You guys want my autograph?
Il est bien monté en vrai.
Someone pooped on my microphone, bro. It smells so bad.
Oh.
I put my headset on the mic. I sniffed the mic.
Oh, mais il est sérieux. Oh, va te faire enculer, je suis en train. Ah, je suis en train de manger, va te faire enculer, putain. Non, tu dégoûtes, frère. Ça me dégoûte, ça. À l'époque, chez O-Gaming, on n'avait pas des bonnettes différentes pré-Covid. On avait tous la même bonnette de truc. Ouais, le petit truc en mousse, là. Et bon, on va dire que certains prenaient beaucoup de café et certains aiment bien la cigarette. Et du coup, le matin, j'arrivais, il y avait une odeur de tabac froid, café sur la bonnette quand je castais la LCK chez O-Gaming. Ça me dégoûtait, genre. Après, on a commencé à changer et chacun avait sa bonnette, donc ma bonnette sentait bon. Mais ça, je m'en souviens. C'était vraiment littéralement FF. Je comprends complètement son ressenti. C'est vraiment FF. Mais après, avec OTP, c'était trop bien parce qu'on avait chacun nos propres bonnettes et il n'y a jamais eu de problème. Elle sentait rien, quoi. Ah si, je te jure, ça sent, mec. Hein.
Say that.
That's disgusting.
Bro, we should trade Shayak for f***ing Jackies actually. It would be like Mavs and Lakers trade. Doncic for Anthony Davis, imagine.
It's happening.
What's happening?
What is that?
Yeah, what means pony? The
Pony.
The horse.
Pony de un solo truco, bro.
So one trick pony. Your pony only has one trick.
Yeah, that's the meaning.
And you follow Soap and you're okay.
Yeah.
Le.
I'm just full gaming.
Victor
One
is dead.
HP. Yeah,
Pourquoi le joueur de LoL, c'est complètement con?
He's 1 HP, the Victor.
Pentakill.
Pentakill, guys.
Oh,
C'est que ça, je sais qu'avant. Ouais.
Pentakill.
Première année show gaming, le dimanche
Sorry,
matin, je
super.
faisais.
Pentakill.
Nine, Jackie.
Keep going. I will flash on cocky. I'll flash on cocky.
Have you into?
Avec un début.
Nice,
No,
nice.
bro, I'm so extra.
Grabs, are you looking at that card? What they say?
What?
Let your jungler play set.
No.
Guys, I got another fun fact. I never won with Nidalee.
What?
Not even a solo queue. What? I'm very bad Nidalee. Yeah, I think so.
Quel bâtard.
We win the fight. I won.
Chase.
That's them. My God, I'm Takano. Help. Let's go. Them.
Good job, guys.
Bro, I was so scared. Strike, I will get
Limite, là, tu vois. Là, tu vois, je comprends. Je comprends que Nuke il soit heureux. Parce que, ok, c'est pas une game de World, c'est pas une game de playoff et tout. Mais en fait, il sait que s'il perdait cette game-là, Chapeau Pointu allait littéralement l'exterminer après la game. Donc là, il sait qu'il est sauvé, tu vois. La game est trop importante en fait. C'est trop important en fait.
By the way.
C'est bon. J'ai 2.
I can't start the game, by the way. We encountered an unexpected error.
Oh my god, my mouse sensibility is compromised.
I cannot start as well.
Okay, then fuck off.
Fuck off.
Oh my god, my ears, man.
Your ears.
Chill out.
Yay, Smolder, yeah.
Bro, it's so loud, holy shit.
I think if anything, it's only Maokai. I'm going soon, okay? Caps.
I take blast.
I think rail based.
I was all in him, I think.
Yeah.
Maokai spotted me.
Maokai is coming soon. We're fighting, okay? We're fighting,
Yeah,
we're fighting,
we
we're
can
fighting.
kill, we can kill.
Okay, behind.
Est-ce monde, mon frère, respire, pète un coup. Mon frère, t'as eu le jus de Guidance? Non, j'ai pas vu encore. Hors de ton mic quand tu manges. Ah, vous m'entendez là? Traitons. C'est quoi le TikTok qui est sorti sur ton compte? Pourquoi je n'ai pas trouvé la vidéo? Parce qu'elle n'est pas encore sortie la vidéo.
He has flash, okay? He's gonna die, he's gonna die.
Okay, Rumble, okay? Rumble wants to
Good
retreat.
job. But
Yeah, he wants to hold me probably.
guys, we are on the timer, okay? If you can get top tower before them, before bot, it's really insane. Down, Drake. Yeah, and
We
them
can
shoot.
dive in top, okay? We can dive in
I
top.
can dive with my ult.
Yeah,
Look,
just wait, wait,
Yeah,
wait
I'll
for
stay
Elsa.
mid.
It's
I
a
need
bit
to-
I will shield you. They have vision, okay? This is, guys.
I can do. Okay, back up.
Nice, good job.
I'm going from lane, okay?
Yeah,
Just
but
come.
we could. I think it's good to get the wave as well, okay?
I will tank. Let me. Okay, I'm tanking.
Even walk. Yeah. I will try to get the wave.
They might kill mid actually.
I'm dead. But it's okay. Ah, it's my bad. Yeah, it was good, good
I'm
good
looking.
call, okay? It was
Yeah.
my bad.
Ok, attends. Alors.
Walk. Yeah.
Voyons voir.
Let's try to get the wave.
They might
Ça
kill
joue.
mid actually.
I'm dead.
Là, il comprend qu'il est mort, il a le seum.
But it's okay. Ah, it's my bad.
Là, il libère une main en mode. Là, tu vois, là, ce qu'il fait, c'est. J'ai envie de l'insulter quand même. Littéralement, il est comme ça en mode. Il vient de me chier dessus là, moi, Broken Blade.
Yeah, it was good, good
I'm looking.
Du coup, Broken Blade s'excuse parce qu'il sait que Scumon est un tyran.
call,
Et
okay?
du
It
coup,
was
c'est
my
calme.
bad.
No
Il y a pas de
flashing.
problème.
Yeah,
It's
he's
also-
dead.
Yeah.
Back W.
Mais je pense
I'm
qu'il se
taking bot tower,
déteste.
okay? I'm taking bot tower.
Okay, rail top,
I think we don't lose though. We don't
Yeah.
lose.
Jin
Push
slowly
back.
moving.
Jin moving, Jin moving, guys.
Okay,
Jin
see,
moving,
see.
Jin moving. Guys, I have TP if they go really deep, okay? Oh, they're looking. I'm moving.
5K.
They're
It's
finishing.
5K,
5K, I'm
yeah.
coming.
I can double Q the Nash.
I can steal it. Just play for fight. Play for fight. I'm on HP.
Look Corky, look Corky.
I cannot see on.
Corky dead. I mean,
Look at Jin,
he-
Jin.
He withdraw.
They're tipping here.
It's Corky, it's Corky.
I'm going soon.
Quel game de fou ça.
They're tipping as well.
It's Corky.
If they come to
Wait, guys,
if they come to you,
wait,
can
wait,
win.
wait,
Guys,
wait.
Mark, okay.
I'm 1 HP.
I stun him.
Slowly,
You
okay?
can run to me. Give me.
I think Corky no flash.
There's a flash on it.
Don't think so.
I'm fine, yeah. I'm fine.
Il meurt pas, check.
Slowly. Double auto damage, okay? Guys, it's fine. I will
I
face
might
check.
just go on the left, by the way. I might just go on these two.
I hit,
Yeah,
yeah, I hit Maokai. I like
Yeah,
it.
nice,
Can
nice.
you
Yeah, the Maokai ult it.
Can you get this cutter? Okay, it's okay. Oh, he's flashing. They might look to one-shot Drake.
Nice,
Nice.
dead,
Look at Drake, guys. Look at Drake.
Maokai is not
Where's
here.
Maokai?
nothing.
They're hitting it. They're hitting it. I
I'll
will go,
miss
guys.
CB.
Can you push
Finish
Maokai out?
fight.
I'll push Maokai out.
Ah,
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Can we fight?
Yeah, keep fighting.
Combo.
No flash off engine. Can you chase him?
I can chase rail, I can chase rail.
Can you kill him?
Help smother, help
Just walk,
smother.
just walk, guys. Just walk.
I can chase.
Can you reach?
Can we go
I
mid
might
somehow?
not
Can we go
reach.
mid? Care about Corky Brock?
La voix, il peut pas le flasher, le Jin.
It's fine. Can we fight?
Yeah, keep fighting.
Combo.
No flash off engine. Can you chase
Ah,
him?
il a pas la vision. Parce que là, s'il court tout court sur elle, il peut la flasher. Si tu montes la Chine, il est mort. hein.
I can chase rail,
Yeah,
rail.
can you kill him?
Help smother,
Après, il y a
help
le
smother.
trap là,
focus,
donc c'est chiant.
I can chase.
Can you reach?
Can we go
I
mid
might
somehow?
not
Can we go
reach.
mid? Care about Corky board.
Skew il parle en x2, mais il parle tout le temps en x2.
I think get it and we can go.
We're fine, we're fine.
Just go.
Kendrick.
He messed up.
Nice. Just run backwards.
We need to have
Something on your block for me?
I'm getting fucked.
I might be dead.
I'm fine, guys. I'm fine. Keep running. They'll fight. Run no flash. Slowly.
I'm backwards. We don't
Okay,
want
run.
this. Mark
no.
Okay, that's
Nice, good.
I think we still base now. Just go base.
I think base,
Get
base and get full control. Really good, guys. Rel has only one wall left.
She's probably base.
Let's get diffusion.
Il est
Actually,
fort quand
Yeah,
même.
this plan's good.
Corky is low, by the way.
Le seul truc, c'est que la prof parle vraiment pas, quoi.
wait. They're going hard.
Corky is
I
not
think
there.
it's fine. I have stopwatch. Peel for caps.
Kinda
Slowly.
low.
I can peel. Keep it down on me.
Look at me,
sorry.
look at me.
I'll base.
Jin, I'm coming.
Alors, analysons rapidement ce qui monte.
I think it's fine. I have stopwatch. Peel for caps.
Ok, donc ça c'est bien.
Slowly. I can.
Vous entendez, hein. Skumond qui dit I can tank. Skumond vient de dire I can tank.
I can peel. Keep it down on me.
Regarde le mouvement qu'il fait là. Regarde Skumond ici. Il a dit I can tank, hein, juste avant la caps. Hein. Regarde ici, là.
Look at me,
sorry.
look at me.
I'll base.
Jin, I'm coming.
Sorry, sale menteur, on va t'affaire un move de côté. Sale menteur à dire sorry, va, t'es trop heureux, genre.
Nice. And bot. Good job, flash. We don't have a whip? No, we have. Good job, guys. Good job. That was a 50-minute banger, guys.
Yeah.
That was the Brent Smolder
This is the
banger.
one we warmed up for, right?
Yeah.
Actually true.
Exactly what we wanted. Da-da-da-da-da.
That's how you start a music in everyone's head. Da 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 da.
Can you help me?
Yeah,
De quoi il joue, genre?
I'm gonna die. I will TP back though.
Have a good night.
Yeah. I see we fight.
Yeah, have a good night.
He's alone, okay?
Can you kill him?
Oh, Oscar qui misclick, aïe aïe aïe, Oscar.
I don't have flash here.
Just like you're good, now we'll go.
Yeah.
I go.
Can you think so?
Yeah,
Guys, go. Can you base fast?
base,
Yeah. They are
Bien
best
joué
from
pour
me,
le
okay?
coup. Bonne com et bien joué ça.
I can fuck Leona.
Mocha flash by the way. Mocha flash.
I have seen.
Nice guys, really
Nice,
good
good
job.
job. I'll come top. They can't dive you. Yeah.
Guys, Leona is very low.
Guys, they have TP, okay? Guys, I'm moving slowly. We wanna fight slowly. Really good.
Comment j'ai fait par cette game? Ah oui, caps, putain.
Really good. Slowly. I'm
Flash,
moving.
no flash.
Yeah, let's fight. With me. Mocha no flash. He's committed on the pit, okay? 3K. It's really good for us, guys. I'm soon here. Slowly. Where is it?
La vie de ma mère, parce que moi je vais mettre une patate. Là, je suis désolé, je t'adore. Hein. Y a pas de problème entre toi et moi, Rudy. Hein. Mais la vie de ma mère, que je te mette une patate. Si tu me parles comme ça pendant que je suis en game, je te mets une patate. Je sais pas pourquoi t'en mets pas déjà une dé. Je vais t'en mettre une pas deux, frérot. Je serais obligé en fait.
Guys, I'm here.
Mais il le sait parce que je sais que j'en ai parlé avec lui quand on était en interview, etc. Quand il est venu, il sait qu'il parle trop.
I'm here. Can you fight? I can base look TP. Kill him.
En vrai, ses calls sont bons pour le coup. Mais...
Just kill him. Can you kill him? Yeah. Kill him. Can I Ezreal? I can force his ult.
I'm a bit low, okay? I'll base.
No taser. Nice.
I'll base fast.
En vrai, de vrai, sa com en soi elle est bonne, c'est juste que la manière dont il le dit, il y a un peu de useless, et la manière dont il le dit, juste comme il parle en x2, c'est énervant quoi, c'est tout.
I'll base fast.
Okay, you don't win.
Yeah, all good. They're opening top.
I think it's one shot.
Il a prévu
Ezreal
vu
is
qu'on
not
est.
there.
Non, mais de toute façon, sa com elle est pas mauvaise, tout ce qu'il dit c'est bon, hein, mais.
We can TP on bot
Ah oui,
side.
mais
If they can refight, guys.
I can mark him.
Yeah?
Just do it.
I like it. I'm tipping, guys. I'm tipping.
Bot side.
Can we go? Can we go? They can't escape.
Mark him flash.
LT.
Okay. I'm stunned. Kill Mark if you can.
C'est là où c'est sur la game. Hein.
I'm here still.
It's not great.
I'm on SP.
Ouais, c'est là où ils ont niqué la game. Bon, il y a eu 18 minutes de game où G2 était vraiment bien quoi.
L'occasion.
Qui c'est qui a fait le call de Goïd?
I like it. I'm tipping, guys. I'm tipping. Can we go?
Ok, donc c'est Broken Week. En fait, le problème, c'est que leur call est bon jusqu'à un moment très précis, jusqu'au moment où cet ultimate d'Ezreal et ce Pikmin les baise. Et en fait, à partir du moment où ils se font baiser par le Pikmin ultimate d'Ezreal,
They
faut
can't
qu'ils
escape.
reculent.
Mark him flash.
Là.
LT.
Là, faut arrêter là. Là, c'est ciao là. Mais le problème, c'est qu'ils ont déjà. c'est qu'ils ont déjà commit quoi.
Okay. I'm stunned. Kill Marker if you can. I'm here still. It's not great.
I'm on SP.
Not good.
Look, Azul.
I'm okay, I think.
Everyone for themselves.
Oh. I'm dead. He flashed on me. You need to leave. He's there. No
Okay,
flash.
Azul flash.
Just leave me. If you don't die, it's fine.
Oh.
Just leave.
Azul flashed, I think.
Ah, my bad.
Azul flash there.
C'est pas grave, c'est pas grave pour mon frère Skew.
I'm coming. Azir's not there as well.
Okay, I TP. I'm team behind.
Leona. I'm marking Azir, guys, okay? I will mark Azir. Try to kill Leona. Kill Leona. Azir will not deal damage. Careful caps, okay? You're on your own.
Yeah, I'm probably dead. Yeah. Marker flashed.
I think we kill Leona.
Kill Leona.
Okay.
Marker flash, right?
Okay, you're facing Azir.
Flash.
Yeah. I'm not sure if we can go test the bushes right now. Right beyond.
They're rushing it.
They're finishing it. Yeah, just go fight, guys. Don't be scared, okay? Just
En vrai, la game était close. Hein.
go in. Look with Rakan, maybe.
We focus Marker, I think.
Maokai is one shot here, okay?
We can also try to burst it with the S1.
Also,
Yeah,
you have to
do
burst
it.
it, okay?
Yeah.
At 2k?
Yeah.
Hitting us now.
If I can walk. I cannot walk, I'm just getting poked by there.
Ouais, voilà, par contre.
Don't chase me as well. I will do. Should be fine. No, I'm not fine. I think just go. Just go. Be confident. Look on the bush. Flash on them. We need to flash on them. They're finishing it. Play for the fight. I'm on Jess. I have Leona. Slowly. Kill Leona. I have ult still. I can look on Azir, guys. I have ult. Kill. I can flash on Israel. Is that? I'm dead. I cannot deal damage.
C'était pas si mal, mais bon, il y a Azir quoi.
It's gonna pull again. Maybe. Bad looks grim, guys. Nice try.
Once someone main jungle, you have to like. You cannot get a grasp on how he is as a person.
Non, c'est bien. Mais tu sais que. Il y a beaucoup de supports qui parlent pas quand tu regardes en Europe. Il y a beaucoup les gens qui sont allés sur ce bon vieux Targamas. Mais la Brov il parle. Attends, je dois vous encler les oreilles, non? Parce que je suis en train d'ouvrir un truc, mais je pense que ça vous encler les oreilles. Mais je suis pas sûr que Mikix il parle beaucoup aussi. Hein. Moi, Mikix, je pense que c'était Hans qui parlait beaucoup. Après, le truc, c'est que tu vois pas les phases en mid-game et les phases de je dois prendre la vision, etc., qui sont les phases les plus importantes en support. Donc ça dépend aussi vachement, vu que dans les mix checks, tu vois que les phases de fight, c'est un peu biaisé aussi. Hein.
I feel like top laners used to be Giga Chats.
Used to be, but not anymore. Wow.
And AD carries are whiny.
Yeah.
What a support.
I'm not sure. If you get one already,
J'avoue que la Bro il fait pas trop d'efforts.
pretty good. I'm moving to you guys. Yeah, I'm moving. Okay, I'll go for the comms first. I can gank as well.
We're fighting.
I'm coming.
Oh,
I'm
they
coming.
flash.
Go, go.
Leona.
You have hook?
I will loot.
He's dead. Careful. We need to get him.
Look, Varus.
Yeah, Varus is dead as well. We can
Nice,
both.
nice.
I get him.
Get the wave.
I'll push.
Labra.
Yeah.
Push fast, he will lose. He has TP, okay?
Sick is dead to me, right?
Nice, good job.
Ouais,
He
c'est
really
bien.
could be there, but
I'll stay,
I want to take any fight, okay?
Oh, he's not flash.
He's dead. Can you kill both?
Hit.
He's dead as well. There's anything. Careful, look.
Oh,
Skewmont il a envie de lui mettre une patate. Skewmont il a envie de lui mettre une patate. Skewmont ça se voit il veut taper Caps. Quand il meurt là le petit. Je te jure il fait ça. Il y a un mec qui fait ça sur le cul à Skew. Je le jure il le flame. Que je suis Skew. Bah après je vais pas te mentir. Là pour le coup non tu vois. Là pour moi c'est plutôt la Brov qui devrait dire j'arrive. Mais là pour le coup dans la communication là ça me choque pas. Il y a des moments ça me choque là ça m'a pas choqué là.
He's dead. Can you kill both?
Bon, il s'excite mais c'est fine.
He's dead as well.
Là regarde, là il is dead. Donc il se dit is dead. Il est en mode c'est bon, je vais avoir mon petit kill, tranquille. Il voit Caps qui se ravance, écoute bien.
There's anything. Careful.
Varenting, careful hook.
Oh,
We have nice CP.
J'avais pas vu. Tirir à la fin. Là. Tirir.
We have nice CP on top.
I'm moving now. Yeah, you can play aggressive. Gloves are coming anyway. If Nidal is there,
He's half HP from my ulti.
Just go.
I use ulti on him.
I poke him slowly. Nidal is coming, okay? We can turn on Nidal. We can hold the control better.
Ce que fait la Brov là, c'est vraiment stylé. La Brov il a fait une vraiment très très bonne game contre Giantix.
Okay, we can literally say, okay? I'll hook. That's fine, it's okay. They might look to go in.
La première fois qu'il parle. La première fois qu'il parle. La première fois qu'il parle de la vidéo, c'est pour ça. Mais attendez, il va bien jouer, vous êtes des merdes de chat. Mais en vrai, c'est drôle, j'avoue, c'est drôle.
Okay, we can literally say, okay?
Après, moi j'ai une take. J'ai une take. En tant que support, quand tu engages, quand tu dis je vais faire un truc, souvent tu vas le rater parce que tu perds ton focus. Alors quand tu le dis pas et que les mecs juste te follow, c'est mieux. Notre rôle.
I'll hook. That's fine, it's okay. They might look to go in here.
Le it's okay de ce que monde.
Keep the pressure, guys. It's very
Wait the wave. Be patient. They wanna. Oh, okay, no E now.
No flash.
Just don't die.
Play together, we win this. I'll help you. Can you come, Hans?
I'm coming.
Là, c'est trop bien joué de la part de Lebron.
No flash on Varus. We kill them all. Don't die. I'm
Bon,
here. No flash on Varus.
Where's Monter? He's spacing.
Pour vous, c'était bien joué.
Look.
I'm here. I'm running. Slowly. Give me a ward. I think it's still fine. Look at me.
Varus.
Yeah, I'm on Varus. There's a flash.
Yes.
No flash anymore. He just flashed. It's okay. Don't go to the deep. I need help, guys. I'm winning. Come to us.
Ok.
You can Dali?
Ok, j'admets qu'il y a un monde où je suis Broken Blade, je mets une patate à ce monde quand il fait comme toi, alors qu'il est en train d'un V4. Il y a un monde où je mets une patate. En fait, faut qu'il chill un peu, le frère. Mais il le sait, hein, quand je lui ai parlé dans l'interview, il me disait en officiel, il ouvre trop son bec.
Middle is dead. Can we push bot? Yes, push bot. Play for objective. I'm not sure if that's but if you can bring it to us. I think
Après, il est au courant, moi.
flash.
Il est bien.
Maybe I reach.
Qui c'est qui crie là?
Bring it to us. I think it's good.
Flash.
I don't reach. Maybe I reach.
Qui c'est qui crie
Okay, I
genre
reach.
Après, pourquoi pas crier hein, dans ton truc, hein, mais.
Play for objective. I'm not sure if that's flash, but if you can bring it to us. I think it's good.
Flash.
I don't reach. Maybe I reach. Okay, I reach. If you can go, just hit me.
What on the left?
Oh, okay. Maybe it's a bit okay? It's in.
Can we just kill Leona, guys? Yeah, I can help you. Just help him. I have ult as well. Big ult. Slowly, we're getting poked, okay?
Yeah, it's not good anymore.
Bah, en vrai de vrai.
Let's try to hit the towers.
En vrai de vrai, le truc, c'est qu'il voit vraiment. Ce bâtard, il voit vraiment bien le jeu. Parce que, en soi, dans sa voix et tout, certes, il y va vite et il dit beaucoup de trucs. Mais notre rôle, il dit que les bons trucs. Genre. Il dit jamais de la merde. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire ou pas? Dans ce qu'il dit, à chaque fois, il dit de la bonne chose. Et il dit. T'as un peu envie de lui mettre une patate. Mais en soi, il dit que les bons trucs.
Just don't give Smolder free kills, guys, okay? Just don't pack up, and we hard win, okay?
Just Jace can never come back, okay?
Ils vont prendre le jeu, quoi.
He can never come back. We have
I hit Smolder.
Jace top, then up, okay?
Can
He's
we?
stepping.
If MF can hit, it's really good.
Play slow. We have wave soon.
Yeah. Just hit as much as you can.
guys. They have to engage.
Slowly. They have to engage. Exactly.
They have to go, guys.
Slowly.
Après, Bibi et SQ sont pas mauvais. Hein. Les deux, en tout cas, ils ont les. Pour le coup, les deux ont les mêmes idées.
They will go now.
Oli on the left side. Okay. Slowly. Keep hitting. I move here. Hit the tower. Play for the fight on left. Care about Smolder.
No flash, Smolder.
Hit next to win.
Nice. Nice one, guys. Good job.
Bah, pour le coup, il dit que les bons trucs. Hein.
Nice job, guys. Nice job.
Good job.
Je suis curieux de voir la troisième. La troisième semaine, comment il communique. D'ailleurs, celui de la ESC, j'ai déjà regardé. Quoi ça? Non, il y a un Carmine Live que j'ai pas vu encore. Je crois que c'était les 3 vidéos que j'avais spot pour quand je mange. Et j'aurais fini de manger après, donc c'est sublime. Mais après, ça va juste partir en solo queue. Comme un fou. T'as vu la vidéo de Gallions sur Twitter? Non, j'ai pas vu. C'est quoi la vidéo de Gallions? Il est où?
Non, pas ça.
Oh, cara. ¿Por qué, cara? Oh, ¿por qué? ¿Cómo te puede? ¿Por qué, cara? ¿Por qué? Cara, espera, Bucara. ¿Por qué, mi vida? Bucara, te quiero. No. ¡Es magnífico! No, Bucara, mi amor, mi vida.
Non mais y'a quoi il joue?
Oh non, pas ça.
Oh,
Ah c'est fini déjà? C'était rapide. Oui mais j'ai vu sur Twitter, je l'ai pas cliqué parce que un truc télé-réalité qui a été spam là, tout le monde parle de Montoya, je sais pas quoi, qu'est-ce que j'en ai à foutre de cliquer là-dessus? C'est quoi, c'est une émission, c'est genre des tentations, je sais pas quoi, et il y a un mec, c'est sa femme qui se fait baiser et il est pas content, c'est ça? Si j'ai tout compris. Mais j'ai pas la ref parce que je l'ai pas vu, parce que ça a aucun intérêt. Moi je regarde des contenus League of Legends moi. Parce que le problème c'est que je commence à cliquer là-dessus, je connais l'algorithme. Après Twitter va me baiser, et Twitter va littéralement mettre que des trucs comme ça dans mon algorithme, ça va me casser les couilles. Du coup je refuse. Du coup je cliquais pas dessus, exprès je cliquais sur les trucs de LOL. C'est ça traitant, mais je te jure que c'est vrai. Hein. L'intérêt c'est de comprendre les refs, bah du coup je comprends parce que tout le monde a tout au propos de ça, genre. Littéralement toute la planète a tout à propos de ça. Mais le moment où il court en béquille. Le moment où il court en béquille est pas mal. Le moment est quand même drôle. C'est quand même très drôle pour le coup. W vidéo. Attends, mais Exa, il y a pas de content sur vous, votre team LFL? Vous puez ou quoi?
Première 3
J'ai pas vu de content.
0 week de l'histoire de la cassée, ça fait plaisir. Et je suis avec Caliste, le prince de l'e-sport.
Mais attends, mais notre troll, il va lui mettre. Mais pareil, hein. Il y a un moment, il va y avoir un drame. Hein. Je pense qu'il se rend pas compte hein, avec ses yeux globuleux, lui. Il se rend pas compte. Hein. Il y a un moment, il va se lever, il va lui mettre un coup et c'est terminé pour Vladimir, je pense. Hein. Kada, en plus, ça se voit, il cache bien son jeu. Il va lui mettre une patate, il va rien comprendre. Hein.
Targa, stop pentakilling.
Alors en termes, vous savez pas être
Yo les gars, cette semaine on joue la deuxième semaine de la LEC, donc contre SK, Rogue et Heretics. Donc voilà, ça va être une semaine qui est importante pour nous parce qu'on peut déjà assurer.
Attends, mais c'est quoi cette semaine à la con? Attends, mais j'avais même pas capté un truc. Ils ont fait une semaine en 3-0 et c'est très bien, tu vas te faire une semaine en 3-0, c'est sublime. Hein. Y a pas de problème, y a pas de critique. Hein. Mais c'est quoi la gueule de la semaine? SK, Heretics et Rogue. Sacrée semaine.
Qualification en playoff si on gère bien. Et puis pour l'équipe VCT.
Et donc bah, ils jouent littéralement contre les petits de la cour de récré. Et ils ont aggré les petits de la cour de récré quoi. Heretics c'est pas automine. She needs a hero. What's the music we were singing before? I forgot the name. Après, c'est d'un compte. J'étais avec Kaidos. Non, mais y a pas de problème. Mais attends, ce n'était même pas. Je ne l'ai même pas dit en tant que Flame. Juste, je ne m'étais pas rendu compte jusqu'à maintenant que cette 3-0 week, c'était une 3-0 week contre littéralement les petits, quoi. Je ne m'en étais juste pas rendu compte. Ce n'est pas un Flame. Ce n'est pas de problème. Et voilà quoi. Attends, ils se font pas éliminer, eux.
It's helping us so much to lower the pressure. Of course, it's not removing it completely because, as I said before, you need to have pressure to actually perform good because pressure gives you adrenaline and you need it. In my opinion, it reduces it, but it doesn't remove it fully, and this is actually very good. It's helping us to focus in the game, to concentrate fully about the game, not think about anything else, putting some more energy into our bodies, into our brain to be ready for the match. So yeah, I think it's very helpful.
Oh, bro, you're too slow. You're still too slow, bro. What can I do, bro?
Shaking from excitement.
For me, the most important thing that I qualify for a Masters, I just want to get used to play in international stages because this is like actually this is the hard part. I want to get used to it because you're playing against a lot of different teams, a lot of different regions. You need to get used to it a bit. And my main goal, like not only me but the whole team, is champions. So I want to get used more, like to play against different regions, different play styles, to be fully ready for champions and actually win it. Because champions at the end is the most important thing for our whole team. Even if we lose the whole year, but we go in champion and we win, this is the most important thing. We don't care about anything else.
What do you think about it, yeah?
It's beautiful. It's a masterclass. It's art.
It's a masterpiece.
Yeah, I like it. I like the colors. I think the layer of green, the layer of brown. It creates something, something really specific. It reminds me of a beautiful game.
Non mais faut le.
Reminds me of my home. Actually.
Really?
When I was young, I was 10 years old, walking in the grass on Minecraft.
Cette semaine, c'est sûr que le but, je pense qu'il y a deux objectifs. Il y a le fait d'assurer la qualification en play-off déjà, vu qu'on joue 3 adversaires qui sont largement à notre portée.
Dis-le, 3 puants, tu joues 3 puants, dis-le.
Avoir de bonnes games,
il pue.
avoir un plan vraiment sur chaque,
tu peux le dire, Targaryen, pas de problème.
phase de jeu où tout le monde sait exactement ce qu'il doit faire, son rôle. Je pense que c'est ça qui est important pour nous actuellement.
Okay.
No matter what are the results today, just look at the way you are playing as a team together. And it's going to be the same on stage, no matter what the result is. If you just keep focus on what you are doing, you can come back. If you only focus on the score and the difference of points, then you will never come back.
Thomas. Good luck. Good luck.
You do it. You do it.
What?
Gonna stay still. Put your. Yeah, like that. Now you're gonna go like this.
Yeah.
Do it. Like that. So you have to. No. And now try to reach it again. But it's further. No? For you, it's not further. For some people, it doesn't work. It's further.
No, it's the same. But tell me what's the same.
These guys don't know how to do content, bro. Keep performing. Keep doing performance things. Keep doing performance things.
It's great, yeah.
Lose it.
Ah oui. Bon, je dis pour Ismaël Adam. Bah frère, il y a un moment.
Our cameramen are filming us. Who is filming them? Can you guys film each other now?
Yeah, like this.
Oh shit.
Ah, chapeau!
Oh my God.
Des chapeaux! C'est chapeau!
Pas peur de le dire. Chapeau fait pour une nouvelle dimension à la casser. Voilà, pas peur de le dire. Je n'ai pas peur de le dire. Il doit prendre des parts dans la boîte. Voilà, je l'ai dit. Il doit avoir des parts.
So like you need to understand this, guys. If you want to see the big picture and you want us to go to champions at the end of the year, you need to understand what's the big picture and where we want to go. Not right now and what's under your feet. You will never succeed in your career if you think like this. So like guys, you need to understand that it's like a process. And for this process, we need you to be involved or you will never be like able to get better because you cannot help someone that doesn't want to help himself.
Yeah. The way how we're thinking about the game works. All what we need to do right now is just to be confident as a team in our game plan and be confident in ourselves individually. Thank you guys for your incredible support. So please keep supporting and we will try our best next split.
Bien parlé. Non mais mets-lui une patate. Mais notre rôle. Mais notre rôle. Mais lui, il faut lui faire des trucs. Hein. Je suis passé genre même pas 5 minutes dans leurs locaux. Moi aussi j'avais envie de le frapper, mais il faut lui faire des trucs. Hein.
We have warm up. Yeah, but I'm waiting. We cannot go to the lobby. No, finish the warm up first.
Il a envie. Yike, il a promis. Limite, Kana, je pense qu'il a appris à l'ignorer. Par contre, Kana, il a un flot de bâtard. Je pense qu'il a appris à l'ignorer, mais Yike, il a le temps de le tuer. Non, mais lui aussi, c'est. Exaki et Kalis, allez vous faire enculer, genre. Vous jouez. Mais pourquoi ils se prennent pour honneur d'un coup, genre? À quoi ils jouent? Mais c'est un truc de fou, genre. Jamais de sa vie il a porté un pull comme ça. Juste il a vu honneur à la finale des Worlds, il le fait maintenant. Jamais de sa vie il l'avait fait avant, genre. Mais lui et Exa. Oh! Juste clique.
So today, Raph, the main focus is doing the pigs if if the mood is down.
Yeah, Tyler, can you do the pig?
I don't know about this one.
Hey, come on. What are you doing?
Oh, le chien.
Touch the ground. Just short one, like for 30 seconds.
C'est vrai que c'était un peu le seul qui connaissait personne de base, mais dès les premiers jours, il s'est super bien intégré. Je pense que maintenant, il n'y a pas vraiment de différence. Tout le monde s'entend super bien dans le groupe. Je pense qu'il nous apporte énormément d'options, de flexibilité. C'est quelqu'un qui va être capable de jouer à tous les styles de jeu, qui va être capable de jouer pour lui, mais qui va aussi être capable de jouer pour l'équipe. C'est quelqu'un qui sait gagner des Barclay Legends. Il a gagné pendant 2 ans chez G2, il a gagné même avant. Et il sait ce qu'il faut faire pour gagner.
Before the match day, we're gonna have like 3 days in a row, so it's gonna be like important that we are working together, okay? That we're on the same page before we start the thing. So I just want us to agree on like what do we control, and when I say what do we control, it's like what the others in the team perceive as what we control.
Oh my god, I don't want to see this. Good night.
C'était quoi ça?
There's no way.
Enfin, l'important dans un premier temps, c'est de se qualifier au play-off. On l'a vu que l'année passée, ça pouvait aller vite, entre guillemets, vu qu'il n'y a que 3 semaines. Bon, là maintenant, on a quand même bien démarré, mais on n'est jamais à l'abri de surprises. Donc, vaut mieux se focaliser là-dessus pour l'instant. Surtout que si on fait le job,
il faut comme ça, il faut direct, Ender.
On aura plus de temps que les autres équipes pour réfléchir sur comment on fait les choses pour le mode Fearless. C'est la première fois pour...
pas mal en bas à gauche le truc.
Je pense dans l'équipe qu'on joue en Fearless, vu que ça s'est jamais fait en Europe. Donc j'ai hâte de voir ce que ça donne en entraînement, je pense que ça va être marrant. Je pense que dans l'équipe, on est tous confiants sur nos capacités dans ce mode aussi.
Voilà, frappe-le un peu.
I can pick it after.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this. How the game works, because you are done. If you kill the Sejuani, Sejuani will be CC'd. Sejuani will be CC'd, so she won't proc the E. You know what? You stupid rat.
Are you calling him?
Yeah? Opinion about today's game?
Our game, we're gonna play?
Yeah.
We're gonna win.
That's it?
Yeah, we're gonna win.
That's it?
That's it.
You have nothing else to say?
No, we're gonna win.
I'm spending too much time with French.
Oh, I got sting.
Non mais frérot, frappe-le genre.
That's how you win up someone in Korea.
Mais...
Oh, yeah. I'm like time to rest.
Mais heureusement qu'il est patient, Canin. Franchement, il a de la chance, hein. Ça se voit que c'est le golem de l'équipe, mais c'est même plus un golem là, c'est très grave. C'est vraiment très très grave. Non mais... Mais par contre, il fait pas trop chier la botlane, hein.
Ok, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna take one to punch the others now. Alright, I'm done. Take each other hands.
Oh.
Good job. Good job.
Can we get a smaller
Bit of
one
recognition.
like before?
Khalif!
Pas le blue?
GG! Oh! Du League of Legends spectaculaire, les amis!
Hello guys, we're from SSK. We had a good day, I think. North was fun. I played Sarah, so I'm very happy with that. Always fun to not play tanks, and I think I agree with my bot a bit. I let him die in the tower. I didn't tempt him, so I feel a bit bad for Kalist, but he had good mental, you know. He was playing good, and yeah, I'm happy that he won.
You're saying this in front of the camera, but behind the camera you're saying I was smiling when you guys died on bots.
That's not true.
That's true.
You can check the webcam.
You
can check the cam. I was not smiling on the cam. That would be very disgusting to me. I didn't think it. I'm sorry.
There's no way you did this.
I did smile, of course. But yeah, I'm happy.
Well, anyways, yeah, I'm happy also. I think the draft was good. It's the draft we like where we can play aggressive in early game. I mean, still a few mistakes, but I think the game was pretty easy.
On parle super vite tous les Français.
Got contest much and yeah, just a good stomp. We got attacked and then we ended. There's not much to say on this game, I guess, and yeah, excited to play against Folkmore.
Bye bye.
Ami, fais-moi vos pièces d'identité.
Il a peur que ses derniers cheveux s'envolent ou quoi? Il a peur que ça s'envole, genre que ça parte? Ah, c'est pas bien.
Remember what this guy is doing? I have some examples. Free is they play a two-lane games, okay? Two-lane games and strong side is always Larsen, exactly.
Attends, quoi, Larsen?
Always Larsen, exactly.
Ah, il a Scout qui joue toujours du side de Larsen? C'est la musique? Musique de fou, frère.
We have a job to do. Last week I said, next week we do 3 good attackants. We already have one. Now is the second one. We have a job to do. Just make sure that our discipline and our fundamentals are done, okay? So just play the fucking game, confidence as usual, and we win this game, okay? Let's go team, let's go guys. Casey on 3, boys. 1, 2, 3!
Casey! On peut go maintenant qu'on a l'attaquant. Et en plus, il y a Adam Mid.
En fait, le truc, c'est que Gyotto, il pense que Réa, il se brûle la voix à crier comme ça. Le problème, c'est qu'en fait, Réa, je pense que ça lui fait rien du tout à la voix. Je pense qu'il a vraiment beaucoup de réserve.
Il y a Adam
Pour le coup, il crie pas si fort.
Qui s'opère.
Par rapport à lui, quoi.
Larsen qui se fait complètement contrôler. Larsen qui va mourir. Patrick qui va mourir. Patoche qui est down. On va envoyer les Ralds aussi.
Et on finit bot.
On finit, frère.
La game est terminée.
Ah, ils en profitent les journalistes. Les gars.
L'heure de calme est bien.
Hello everyone, it's Jack and Kana. We're gonna do a little debrief of today's game. We'll just play against Rogue and we'll beat them in like 25 minutes. So fast game I think, and I think we played good today. So I'm happy. Yeah, what do you think about today?
Yeah, today was so fast game.
So fast,
yeah,
right?
I like it. I really like it. Fast game.
I think your Jace was very strong today.
Yeah, it's Korean based.
Korean
Jace, yeah.
So strong.
Yeah, so strong.
I wanted to camp you. I wanted to help you. You remember the top 2v2? I helped you and we killed them, you know? We were stronger and better.
Yeah. Ça se voit qu'il est bien, Yek. Tu sais, il l'inclut, etc. machin. C'est vraiment bien ce qu'il fait.
So I think today was very good. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. We're playing Heretics and yeah.
J'aime trop Yek. Ah, c'est un bon père. Soit bon père. Non mais lui.
Yeah, chilling.
And doing the drafts. And Apples is scouting. What are you doing?
I'm watching how the enemy team plays and showing it to my team before the match.
Okay. And you're also enjoying the moment.
Mega chilling.
Mega chilling. That's what Kana would say.
Puis quoi, il joue réel.
Allez, toi, tu veux trick shots?
Vas-y, fais des trick shots. En fait, les gens ne le voient pas, mais c'est comme ça que tu fais un game LEC.
C'est ça. Il fait trop le mec avec ses mecs. Mais regarde, mais jamais j'aurais ça, genre. Il clique trop vite. Et t'as vu ces deux doigts là? Tu sais ces doigts là? Regarde.
En fait, les gens ne le voient pas, mais c'est comme ça que
Attends, dégage le sous-titre.
tu fais un game LEC.
Tu vois, genre, il bouge son doigt. T'as vu son doigt? Il bouge d'un clic à l'autre, genre, il me casse les couilles. Il clique trop vite du coup à cause de ça. Ah oui, il fait double. C'est une araignée son doigt. J'ai trop le seum. Moi je suis trop nul mécaniquement moi. Juste clic gauche. Mais non, en gros il est en perma comme ça et il déplace son doigt. Tu captes ou pas? Et il clique avec les deux doigts sur la truc de. Tu captes? Il déplace tout le temps. Ah, je sais pas faire ça. Va faire ça si tu veux, va essayer de faire ça. Sur LoL. Moi je sais pas faire ça moi.
What kind of emotions you can have? Are you enough activated or do you need to focus on something particular to be in your zone? Just do this first check-in of yourself, put yourself in your focus zone.
Keep pressing when you go inside. Sweet. Calm down, no?
I'm gonna show you what they do well. Use it as reminders what we need to do well as well. And we will just see where they do the mistakes, which is why you can see that the rookie is new to this, whatever.
Il les a flemme là ou je rêve? Il y a de la flemme là.
Alright boys, we got 2 out of 3. The third one is coming now. Just, I'm gonna tell you, okay? This game can be anything, so be ready for everything, okay? Maybe it's a resilience game, maybe it's a hard game. But most important is we worked out to be fighting every fucking scenarios.
1, 2, 3,
Casey! But I think on this...
Sheo il est dans la merde, Caliste l'a arraché.
Ouais.
Sheo il est dans la merde, on va go in sur Sheo. Sheo qui va smite le raid, il va passer level 2, mais c'est First Blood pour Vladi. Flackhead qui va suivre double kill pour Vladi. Il est en train de se régaler en termes de dégâts. Let's go les amis.
Ils les ont éteints.
Report Targamas.
Report Targamas.
Disgusting, Leona. Disgrace.
Ça fait 2 semaines que t'es là, c'est déjà la première 3-0. C'est tout ce que t'as à dire, ouais?
Je sais pas. Disgusting game. I had to be deathless. Targamas griefed. Very bad Leona. If I play Leona, I will be better. But yeah, good game. Draft diff for enemy. We are just better. We got draft diff. And yeah, that's it.
We can be happy with this. Pretty strong performance.
We are happy with this, but we are not satisfied. More 3-0 weeks are coming.
Comment ça, il est sur le stream de Kamel sans Kamel? Il est... C'est Vladi?
Il fait bosser ses Sherpas comme une
Really proud of you guys. I said 3 good attackers. We did really 3 good attackers, 3 good earlys. Very proud of everybody. But now the focus is on playoff, okay?
No.
Already. Fnatic and then playoff. But everything that we're gonna do in the future weeks is to prepare for playoff. Both Fnatic, both BDS, both Vitality. Those are tests for playoff. So now, that's the word I'm going to use, okay?
Yo les gars,
Ça a
on
bien
vient de
testé,
finir,
hein.
deuxième semaine de LEC.
Hein?
Donc première 3-0 week de l'histoire de la cassée, ça fait plaisir. Et je suis avec Caliste, le prince de l'e-sport.
Un grand merci à tous les fans pour le soutien. Ça nous permet de ne pas avoir de pression. On vise vraiment le top 1 cette année. On veut ramener les titres et aller aux événements internationaux. Et là, la dernière semaine arrive, on va se donner à fond. Et puis soyez là pour le match contre Fnatic. Voilà, ciao ciao.
Bon content, W content, W. Ah, j'ai même pas le temps de like, c'est parti directement sur un truc.
3-0.
W content, c'est bon, je like.